Okay. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the program today. I'm a little late today because there's so much going on. I'm trying to stay on top of a whole bunch of stuff at the same time. I'm sure you are too. But you know what? Things aren't looking too bad. Very interesting market in the pre-market today. Target came up with some nice numbers. Excuse me. That's adding some fuel to retail stocks, including GameStop. Very interesting here. SoFi 754 has been as high as 770 this morning, traded almost 750,000 shares, slowly inching higher and higher and higher and higher. This talk about interest rates maybe being maybe being at their highs now, and maybe even in the spring we're going to see lower rates. And these dreamers keep dreaming in Technicolor. It's truly amazing, but the money is coming in. It amazes me. Well, it doesn't amaze me. I have to take it back. I wanted to say it amazes me how many suckers there are out there who actually believe, these prognosticators, who actually believe that the Federal Reserve is just going to turn around on a dime because inflation is down 1/10 of a percentage point from 1 month to another, that there you go, inflation has been slayed. That's the end of it. There's nothing else to worry about here. There's nothing to see here anymore. All that blood over there, don't worry, we'll clean that up. There's nothing to see here. All the crying people in the corner of that, don't worry about that. We'll get rid of them. There's nothing to see here. Oh, the fact that you can't afford your mortgage, you can't afford your car payments, your taxes have gone up on your municipal level, your house taxes are surging. You can't get raises from your boss that equal inflation. There's nothing to see here. Everything is fine. The fact that there are strikes and people walking out because they're getting 3% job raises when they need 8, 10, 12. There's nothing to see here. Everything's fine. There are two worlds going on right now. Actually, there's three worlds. That's why we call it the third world. There's the third world, which you don't want to be part of, if at all possible. And there's the other world, the first and second world. And the first world is where you're in the upper echelon of the economic scale and life is great. But, there are still screw ups. People still screw up at the top end. And then is the rest of us, sort of the not quite upper middle class and all the way down. And there are a lot of folks at the very bottom who are really struggling. And you all know who they are. Excuse me. There are folks on this channel who watch me every day who are well aware of people they know or have known who are really having a tough time. Whether they're having serious health issues, they're having financial issues, they're having career issues, they're having marriage and relationship issues, whatever. The world has never been perfect, will never be perfect, and is not always perfect for everyone. And sometimes the world turns against some of us for a while, and then we battle our way back and we work our way through it. It's funny how, as you get older, sometimes within family structures, some of us are viewed as losers when we're younger. And then as time goes by and we prove ourselves to be pretty mature and bright, hardworking and loyal, we start moving up in stature within the family. It's kind of funny how that works. Sometimes you just sort of stay the course and it all works out. It's kind of like doing this. It's kind of like sometimes you have to do this with life and your investments and relationships and what have you, and perhaps the career, and eventually things get better. Sometimes they don't, sometimes they do. Welcome to the World 101. Am I your world advisor, life advisor? I don't know. I'm just trying to help you find a way to make money. And one way to make money is not to lose money. Some of you are incredibly good at making money, but you're also incredibly bad because you also find ways to blow it. Again, this is normal. This is normal. There are billionaires out there who aren't billionaires anymore. There were people who were multi-billionaires who are now just little old millionaires, and they think they're losers, and then they become billionaires again. Steve Jobs was a young kid, moved up the ranks, got Apple going, became a multi-billionaire, and lost most of it, and then came back with his different companies and Pixar and Next, and came back into Apple and became a billionaire again. And many people like him that you've never heard of and you never will hear of, same thing. And on this channel, there are viewers who've been here who have made and lost a lot of money, but then they've made a lot of money and they find ways to keep coming back for more. I welcome you all to the channel. It's great to have you here. By the by, I'm getting towards the end of this. I promise you, I will not be putting this up much longer. This buy 5 classes for the price of 4. This deal ends in 2 days. Okay, it's over. You want to get 5 classes, make your move. All right, now back to the market. We're up this morning. The Dow's up 68, but we were higher than this. We're up 13 on S&P. We're up 83 on NASDAQ. This is on top of a very big day yesterday and on top of gains now for the last week. I'm admitting that I think the market, I have to admit, the market has gone up more than I thought it would go up in the last, week or two. But I know I'm right. I know I'm right eventually when the market will kind of go, we're up here, but we got to take some profits. By the way, producer price index data shows the sharpest decline in top line wholesale inflation since April 2020. And another bulletin, U.S. retail sales dipped in November, first decline in 7 months. There are 2 opposite announcements at the same time. One is good. One is not good, and yet the one that's not good could be perceived as good because it confirms that perhaps those who think interest rates have topped out and might come down might be right in that the Fed will say, hey, inflation's coming down, sales are coming down, the economy is slowing down, we don't have to raise rates anymore, but if we slow down too much, we may have to lower rates. This is the prevailing mood right now and guesswork of the market. We'll see how this plays out. Hard to say. The Dow's only up 47, so I don't know. The market's lower on this news, not higher on this news. And so now, is good news bad news? Is bad news still good news, or is bad news also bad news? And with the market as high as it is and has been moving lately, are we really, a little overdone here? How should we play this? How should we read this information? Well, welcome to the world of the futures contract players who are trying to decipher these crazy swings in the market. By the way, I am busy right now putting up a couple of charts I want to show you so that we can talk about it. Hang on one more second here. Let me pop that up there. Oh, I love screenshots. Hang on a second here. Here we go. All righty. Let me show you what I'm trying to say. For those of you who need visual help like me. All right. Here we go. There's one right there. And I have one more to pop up. And let me show you what I'm looking at right now so you can see what I see and read what I read and think what I think, maybe. I don't know. Agree with me, disagree with me? I don't know. All right, look. Here you go. This is the Dow for the last 5 days, okay? Starting last Thursday, right there. Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and now here we are, Wednesday. You note that on Thursday and Friday, we were at as low as about 34,000 down here. And now we're at 34,900. And note at the very end here, at the very, 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 very end, way at the top, there's that dip that's happening right now, a little dip. Here is a 1 month chart on the same Dow Jones. Notice on the dip here in late October, we were into the 32,000 range, and now we're at about the 35,000 range. Gee whiz willikers, almost a 10% bump in the Dow. Do you think maybe we're overcooked in 2 weeks? This is the 15th of November. That low was the end of October, 2.5 weeks ago. Do you think maybe in 2.5 weeks we might have possibly gone a little too far, too fast? Maybe, Bruce. You might be onto something. So do not be surprised if the market starts having gyrations within itself, because the 8-second attention span investor is alive and well. The 8-second attention span hedge fund companies, mutual funds, pension funds, these people are supposed to be looking long-term, way out into the future. There's a lot of people within these organizations that have 8-second attention spans in relationships, liking and hating of food, feeling good and not feeling good, loving life, hating life, and investments. And they're supposedly supposed to have a long-term outlook on investing. They don't bring that to the table. And there are a lot of organizations out there who are now plagued with a problem. You've got short-sighted people running long-sighted organizations, and the Warren Buffetts of the world are fewer and farther available. They're fewer and far between. And look, if you're a 35-year-old, 8-second attention span person, the last thing you want to be emulate is a 90-year-old man that says, wait 20 years for a payoff. You don't want to be that person, because you're looking at your finances and your financial situation going, I haven't got 20 years, man. I don't have 20 years. My mortgage payment was $1,300 a month 2 years ago, and had been like $1,100, $1,200, $1,300 a month for like years. And now it's $2,300. I don't have 20 years to make that up. I need to make that now. I need $1,000 a month more today. I can't be a 90-year-old guy and wait it out because, hey, Warren Buffett doesn't have a mortgage. Okay, I do. I get it. I've been there with you. I used to be 30-something, and we had the pressures as well. But you have to understand where this market has come from, where it is, and where might it be going, and about you yourself as well. Where are you going? Where are you at? And what you're going to do? You cannot win in the end being an 8-second attention span person. You've got to have a plan, and you've got to make that plan work, and you've got to be loyal to the plan. And this is why on this channel, so many of my viewers have decided, I'm not interested in getting quick overnight anymore. I can't find that deal. I cannot find that opportunity where I can buy Apple 6 months before it goes public on an IPO. I can't get in at 25 cents a share, watch it go public at $25, and then watch the stock go to $150 in the first week of trading. I can't find that 25-cent deal. I just can't find it. And guess what? You're not supposed to be able to find it because they don't exist. They really don't exist. What exists is stocks like Amazon, Apple, NVIDIA, and AI, and Unity, and Microsoft, and everybody else trades. They go up, they go down, they go sideways all the time. And you have to find a way to extract from this market cash, revenue, that either you're going to live off of, partially live off of, utilize for special occasions like the saying goodbye to my American Express debit, goodbye to my MasterCard balance, goodbye to my Visa balance, goodbye to my student loan, because I can't count on Congress, the Senate, the president, or anyone to get rid of the student loan. Only I can get rid of this damn student loan. And why don't I just make a bunch of money to do it? How about paying off 2 of the cars that we have, or all those toys we have in our garage, or in the tool shed, or in the basement of this house? All the crap we have acquired in the last 10 years, why don't we finally pay for it and not pay interest to carry this crap? Because it's all depreciating on us, and we're paying interest payments to have it. Let's get rid of that. Option Writers Unite, welcome to the channel. Welcome to where you can make something work for you, and you can take advantage of the market for your benefit rather than someone else's. Lame Duck, thank you for joining me. JR, good morning. Zed Estate, how you doing? What's up? Karen is here. Robert, thank you for being here as always. Flint Creek, how you doing? Welcome. Lorraine, Hector, not a lurker is here. JR, of course, 22 maybe. Good morning, everybody. To quote a famous primo, let's get that dinero. That's right. Richard, hello. Double D, DH Druda. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. It's nice to see you all here today. Computer Whiz is here. Larry, Titus, all these channel members are here and they're signing up. They're throwing the thumbs ups at us. If you are a casual observer of this channel, hit the thumbs up button for us immediately. Give us some momentum. Thank you, Beach Boy, for being here. Alberto, good morning, Bagel Familia. I'm here. We can begin now. Thank you, my friend. Zed, Splair is here. Welcome. Touchgrass is here. How you doing? Nice to see you here. Here we go. Zeta State. I did write 15 GameStop, but that expired Jan 25, and I got 190. I sold 30 contracts, but I watched the short. You want Jan 26 for $4? Yes, I'm talking about writing Jan 25s for money. Anyway, Wing Commander, welcome. Junebug, hello there. Zeta State, number 42. Alberto, let's congratulate Lorraine and not a lurker anymore. Well, congratulations. I'm not quite sure why, but let's say hi. Computer Whiz, we're going to need a new bagel color soon, Uncle B. Right on, Farmalist. Make money to blow it. Is Uncle Bruce reading my brain? Aurora, good morning. I am number 32 on the thumbs up meter. Thank you, everybody. Not a lurkers here. Like I said, Alberto is here. Who else is here? Let's go. Okay, Torben is asking a question. Hi, Bruce. Can you explain quickly how I buy the classes? I have been on your website. I can see that I can pay via PayPal, but I don't know how I pick the classes. I will join you guys soon. Okay, you have two choices. You can buy the classes on the website one at a time at $150 a class and start with number one and just go through number 2, 3, 4, 5. Or if you want to get this deal right here, you make a PayPal donation of $599.99 to my PayPal account, which the link is down below. You should be able to find that in my description underneath this thing. Make that donation and then send me an email, which also is down below. Send me an email, say, Bruce, Uncle Bruce, I just sent you $599.99 US. Here are the 5 classes I would like. I'd like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or I'd like 4, 8, 11, 12, 13, whatever you want. Send me the list of the numbers you want. I will then send you the classes personally after the live show, and away you go. If you haven't bought any classes and you guys want in on all 16 classes, and some of you do, then, well, you'll have to send $599.99 3 times. Do it all in one shot. Add 150 to that, and you get all 16 classes. So you get 16 for the price of what, 13, something like that, until Friday. Friday, it's over. After Friday, we're done. Back to 150 a class, one at a time. Those are your choices. If you have any other questions, Torben, just send me a private email, and I'll try to address you. We'll take care of you. All right. Here you are. Not a lurker. Hey, Torben, make a donation to his PayPal, and then you send him the class list you want. Right on. Okay, Dean, good morning, everybody. Jamie, hello there. Hi, Marie B. Good day to you. Stephen Butler in 53. Go SoFi. 750. Let's go SoFi. Mandu is here. Pat Merkley is here. How you guys doing? Yo. Who else is here? Uncle Bruce, my Meta Iron Condor calls are getting close to in the money. It's might be rollover time for more money. Fantastic. Pat is here at 61. Alberto is smiling. Dude is here. Good morning. Thank you, says Torben. Fabulous. It's party time. I'm number 60. Fabulous. Alberto, take advantage of these classes right now. These packages are a deal. White Feather, good morning, gang. Welcome to the party, everybody. Nice to see you here. Look, we have a lot going on. It's mainly positive. Yes, the markets are trying to figure it out. They're trying to understand what is happening here. We are back now up 88 points. We were not so good there for a little while. Now the market's bouncing again. Welcome to the party, pals. This is what we're kind of expecting going on here. 13.13 on GameStop, by the way, up 23 cents. Those of you who do not know, a couple hours ago, we hit $14. That was a pre-market one-time quote, one-time trade, but that stock took a little pop all of a sudden, and I hadn't seen that since December 2020. Nice to see that in a pre-market. GameStop, I think, is winning. I like the stock. I like the potential of the stock winning for you, but I am a realist, and I am saying, and will continue to say, if you either own the stock or you've been able to pick up deep in the money calls, you should be writing. And you should be writing contracts on this stuff and taking money off the table. This is what you should be doing without question, without fail, all the time. So don't worry about the market going up. Do not ever fear the upside. Stop fearing getting rich. Stop it. Let it happen. Let the market go up on you. It's all right. If you've written an iron condor on Amazon, Microsoft, AI, on Q's, SPY, and they've all gone up on fine. It's okay. It's all right. You will then do rollovers. I have taught you many a time how to do rollovers on written contracts, on deep in the money calls, on condors. There are ways to do rollovers to bring in even more money, to take advantage of the gains, to make it pay you. And there are one-on-ones available. If you want that one-on-one hand, you want me to hold your hand and help guide you through it, then you know what to do. Book a one-on-one with yours truly, and we'll go through it. Look, if you guys can do what you're supposed to be able to do by now, those who've been here a while, not everybody's been here a while, but for those of you who've been here a while, a $400 one-on-one session is chump change. Because if I can help you make thousands of dollars on rollovers, what is $400 to you? It's a way to just get a lot smarter and a lot more confident in how you're running your account. The key here is to build your wealth, cash flow, and to tackle debts. If I can help you drop your debt loads, that lowers your cost of living. That takes heat off your investments. That takes the heat off your job. That takes the heat off of maybe your partner's job, or allows the household to look at completely different career opportunities. Perhaps you've always wanted to become a programmer or an IT professional or something else, but you need to take a 2-year college course to do it, a community college course. You need the time to be able to do that. Can't do it with a full-time job, or to do a full-time and a part-time job. Perhaps this work here, writing options, bringing in income, paying down debt, and flowing cash flow, allows you to walk away from a part-time gig to replace that with your community college gig. And you're making an investment in yourself that in a year or 2 or 3, you are this much more valuable per hour for the rest of your life. Not a bad way to go. If, however, for some of you, the upside for you is simple. Bruce, I don't ever want to work for anyone ever again. I don't even want to be a contract worker for anybody out there. I just want to be able to be my own asset manager, taking care of my own financial affairs. Then more power to you. This is the tool you need, and away you go. Welcome to the party, pal. That is what we're all about here. Hopefully, get you to the promised land of be your own boss. Okay. Thank you all for joining in this morning. Thank you for the thumbs up. 74 now have come through. We're opening up trading in about 21 minutes. We're waiting for that. There's a lot of positive vibes going on right now about how Target looks good today. TJ Maxx. They seem to be they're looking okay, but they're saying we might drop a little on the fourth quarter profitability. We're not sure. There are movers out there that are winning. Some are losing. President of China's in the U.S. with Biden today, so that's all positive. We hope. Fine. We have a ton to follow, a ton to watch as we go on day after day after day. But the bottom line is, if you're here to extract money from the market every day, every week, every month, however you do it, whatever's comfortable for you. You're taking money out of the market, short-term condors, medium-term condors, cash secured put writing, deep in the money, poor man covered call writing, whatever it is. You're here to extract money from this market, and it owes you, and you have to be now a sniper to take it. And some of you have gotten pretty damn good at it, and I'm pretty excited for you guys. It's nice to see you all here. Credit Savage of Wall Street. Good morning, everybody. The simpletons and degenerates. I hope you're all having a wonderful time here today. WD saying hello, everybody. Lorraine, your best friend is spreading rumors. Let's talk about after 4 p.m. on Discord. Spear him. I have no idea what's going on. Alberto, hello. Credit Savage, Uncle Bruce, today is my semi-last day of work for the year. I worked maybe the equivalent of 3 months this year, and it's been awesome. Selling covered calls and buying back cash-secured puts has been good to me. Thank you. Well done, sir. Not a lurker, Lorraine. Alberto, Lorraine, this is all your fault. Trying to take my name that is copyrighted. Laugh out loud. Something's going on. I don't know what they're talking about. I have no idea what's going on. I closed the puts on my Spider Iron Condor. So now, it's now a December 16, 435, 445. Net liquidity about $8. Is there any way to roll this without losing money? Something like Feb 405.15, 45.95 would only bring in $2. You might need to widen the spread between the puts and the calls. You might be able to do something for January where instead of having a $10 spread, you might make it a 15 or a 20 between the calls and the puts. That way you write up a contract up here, and instead of buying one here, you buy one here as insurance, and it's much cheaper, and that gives you more of the spread as cash, and that will allow you to move up the call. So if the put builds you a nice little added cash, and the cost of the call is cheaper to buy with with the one you're selling your money, your call that's gone up in value, to replace it with a much cheaper call, and using that credit to roll the in the money call out of the money. I'm hoping I make sense to you on the spot, on the fly. But I've been talking about this now for several days. Hopefully this is working. Okay, what else is going on here? Samuel is in the house, all the way up. Let's go, Uncle Bruce, and my big brother Alberto. Right on, pal. Nice to see you. How you doing, pal? What's going on here? Alberto wants to know, Sammy, are you coming for Turkey Day? We miss you. Splayer, I see TTWO at 157. Definitely for me to time buy to take some gains. Giddy up, everybody. Do not be afraid of the upside. We're way up. We're overbought everywhere. And the 8-second attention span investors have gone crazy in the last couple of days. And soon they're going to get impatient. If the market just doesn't keep going up 500 points a day, they're going to start taking money off the table. And day after tomorrow's expiry day, the third Friday of the month, is coming up in 2 days, by the way. So there's a whole bunch of liquidity coming in tomorrow and Friday. And then after this Friday, next week, I predict, what are they going to start talking about? Tax loss selling. It's coming. It's coming. It will be the dominant story until the end of the year. Mark my words. Just wait. All right. Alex, Bruce, what do you think about writing a Spider SPY credit spread, say 450.55 out to January, and fold the arms? 450.55 could be an idea. Another idea could be to do a Spider, say, where you let me take a look at the Spiders right now. They're 450 right now, where you're writing 460s and buying 470s, or you're writing 465s and buying 485s. That's a credit spread where you're taking a wider credit, you're taking a wider spread between the one you're writing and the one you're buying as insurance. But bring in, I'm going to make up numbers. You bring in $8 and spend $2 and make a $6 credit in cash in your account, and now fold your arms. And you can always move those when necessary. That might be the way to play it. Do a credit spread where you go way ahead of the market. Don't be at the market. Go way ahead of the market in time. But then the insurance, instead of being $5 away, make it $20, $25 away. With time, you can do that. With a February call, you can definitely do that, or on the put side. But if you're looking at the market possibly topping out soon, here, near here, around here, then you may want to be looking at 460s to 480s or 465s to 490s, something like that, and haul in a huge cash credit. Don't be doing this for $1.50 credit, $2 credit. No, not for that kind of time. You need more money. Samuel, I really miss you guys. I love you guys. Maybe we can do a big one. We can have bagels also for Uncle Bruce. Zed, please clarify, Uncle Bruce. 15 January can sell for $2. Where are you getting for? Okay, I'm not 100% sure which quote we're dealing with here. I know that some people were asking me about January 24s. Some were asking me about January 25s. Some people were asking me about January 26s. And if I've misquoted and I'm thinking Jan 25 15s can get you 4 and it's actually January 26s, apologize, but I'd write the 26s. I would take the $4. But look, if you're pulling in $2 on 25s, or you can write April 25s or June 25, bringing in $3, then I would look at that too. I would not be afraid to write $15 calls on GameStop, no matter how far out I have to go, if I can bring in the dollars I deserve. So check it out, Zed, and take the money. You're on it. Alberto, Uncle Bruce, I sold SoFi cash secured puts. $10 strike that expires this Friday for $220. I was assigned yesterday. Why would this happen? Why not just buy the stock at $7? Not complaining. I made some great money. Look, don't complain. Here's the reality, though, okay? It's possible, Alberto, that in your actual case, the person that exercised their puts, they didn't buy your puts. They never bought your puts. They bought puts from someone else maybe 6 months ago. They've been a holder of puts for a long, long time. And when they made a request to their broker to exercise, for whatever reason they're doing it, the lottery picked your puts. Lucky you. Fabulous. You just say, thank you, sir. May I have another? Absolutely nicely done. Alex, okay, get it. I'm on it. JR, first, Alberto is a pile dancer. Now he's a bug brother. What other shenanigans are up your sleeve, Alberto? He is loving life. Not a lurker. JR, he's a troublemaker. I bought some stock in PD. Credit Savage, Barclays starts a position on SoFi with a price target of 8. Big boys are starting to wake up to SoFi, getting interesting here. BW, hello there, noobs. This ain't a one-and-done investing show. It's legit, and I can attest to it. I was in the Amazon Corp layoffs this past January, writing cover calls and cash ticket puts full-time now. Bye-bye, corporate USA. My salary has been replaced. Hanging out with this guy. Beautiful stuff, BW. Of course, I love the story. Not a lurker. The credit savage of Wall Street. That's good news. Flair, ouch. Sounds like an accident. Not like a plan to buy them now at 10. Alberto, oh, I gave them another. Thank you, Uncle B. Absolutely turn around and write again. Marie, trying to understand the tax loss selling. I understand why people would sell for a loss to pay less taxes. But what that does, but what does that do for the market in general? Does it usually drop, or are stocks cheaper? If enough people are doing tax loss selling, certain issues will start to back off. And when the mentality of the market turns into tax preservation techniques, legal tax avoidance techniques, where you don't pay tax legally because of moves, then indexes will slump. And prices of stocks will be retarded, will be held up, and we don't go up 500 points a day. And shrinkage kicks in big time. Nice work, BW. Inspiring stuff being bought out and taken off. Alberto, just sell more puts. Yeah, just do it again. Just for next Friday if you want, whatever you want to do. Dare them to exercise you, I say. SoFi shares right now, $7.40 a share, down 8 cents. So this story, this positive buy report or whatever is not having the effect. I don't know. I say great. You want to go down? Fantastic. Then let's write some more cash secured puts. Thank you very much. There you have it. A lot of analysts are going to keep coming out with their opinion on SoFi. Some are positive, some are negative, some are justified, some are ridiculous. But at the end of the day, this is the quarter that we're in right now. This is the November 15th. We are at the halfway mark of the fourth quarter. It started October 1. It ends December 31. This is the 15th of November. We're at the halfway mark of the fourth quarter. And for SoFi, they're making money this quarter. They have said all year long, no, every quarter, all year, the fourth quarter, we expect to be positive. We're halfway in it. 6 weeks to go. Stock 743. The company is now profitable. Anyone selling here, you're a moron. You're an idiot. But that's okay. You're allowed to be an idiot. It's a free country. In the USA, Canada, relatively free too. You can do whatever you want. You can be an idiot. You can be an absolute moron. You're allowed to be a moron. Isn't that wonderful? Gotta love it. And yet there are morons who are very rich, and there are morons who are very poor. What can I say? You got to take the money when they hand it to you. That's all I can tell you. We're opening in 9 minutes. Congratulations, everybody. Let's have some fun here. Amy, yes, number 81. Thank you. Credit Savage, time to buy more SoFi. Anytime there's great news on SoFi, the stock price drops. Almost as if someone doesn't want to pick up oxygen. Another stock this happened to, Tesla, laugh out loud. I am buying more. JR, Uncle Bruce Yahoo is saying stocks are surging on the TGT news, target news, but my watch list is moving down across the board on my charts. What gives? Maria, good morning, number 82. Look, there are times, morning, Maria. There are times where people sell on the news. The good news keeps coming, and it just keeps coming, and we're oversaturated with good news. The big reason for the run-up in the market the last 2-3 sessions has been for one reason and one reason only. The drop in the inflation report numbers from last week, the thinking that the interest rates have risen as high as they're going to go, and now the talk that not only that, they're going to start to come back down. And there are people actually in a Goldilocks world that think that interest rates are going to go back to 1%. They're out of their freaking minds. They have no idea what they're talking about. And so the stock went way too high too fast. 8-second traders ran the market, and now we have 8-second sellers. We got people out there going, I don't know if we're going to go up another. I don't know, we're going to go up another 500 points. Maybe I should take my money off the table right now. How many option players are out there? Let me rephrase that. How many tens of millions of option players are out there right now who are long call options for the last 2 to 3 weeks that expire day after tomorrow, next week, next month, and they're all up. They're all making money on their calls, all of them at the same time. Now, who is going to sell first and who's not going to sell first? Because there's one problem with option buyers. They all have one problem. None of them can escape this one thing. Remember Jack Palance? Time. These damn contracts have a time limit. And you can't hold a winning option trade for more if it expires in 2 days, if it expires in 9 days, it expires in 30 days. If you have an option that's expiring soon, and many millions of people do, you got a time problem. And now you're sitting here going, well, we were up 500 yesterday, and we had a good day on Friday, and I'm up 50% of my calls, and I kind of want to go higher, and the market could go up another 400 or 500 points today. I could make a little more money. But on the other hand, if I sell them, they don't think about the big picture. They don't understand. You could sell your option now for a profit, and you can roll into another option 3 months down the road at a different strike price. You can also write a credit spread. They don't do that. Remember, option gamblers don't do credit spreads. They don't do put spreads, call spreads. They don't think like that. They think one direction. Buy here, sell here. Buy here, sell here. When the market hits new all-time highs or stocks hit new highs, what do? They double down and it's going higher. Because it's, of course, see, that was easy. It's going higher because it was going up. It's going to keep going up, doesn't it? Isn't that? Because they forget reality that stocks go down too. Oh, and they go down faster than they go up and further sometimes. That's not the thing. That's not their way. You have to take advantage of these morons. And many of you do. Many of you on this channel absolutely love this part of the market. You just love it when it's over exuberant, when the market is too full of itself, when winners think that they're invincible. Oh, I third winner in a row. I found the new way to make money here. I'm a genius. I'm going to keep on doing it. I'm going to double down and double down and double down. They forget all the fundamentals. They forget all reality. and they let their little 8-second mind just take them to a level where they're going to get vulnerable to a massive pullback. And a 3% drop, a 2% drop, a $3 on a stock drop on a Microsoft or on a Google wipes them out. Wipes them out because they are so over leveraged and over hyped up. They get taken to the cleaners. SPQs, or SPYs, triple Qs. There are people out there who are about to get their butts handed to them. I don't know in the first 15 minutes or the first hour or the second hour or the fourth hour or the last 15 minutes of today. I can't tell you when, but sooner or later, the over-leveraged get taken to the slaughterhouse. And every time it happens, and there are winners and losers. The winners are the quiet ones. The winners are the ones who rolled up their positions to higher levels, moved up their credit spreads, moved their condors, and are now doing this, going, all right, I dare you to go up another 500 points. Go ahead. Yeah. You want to exercise me on my poor man covered call GameStops? Go ahead. You want to exercise me on cash secured puts? Go ahead. I put up the money. I can buy the stock. I can take the stock, because if you do exercise me on these stocks, I guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to write calls. I'm going to write more contracts. What do you think I do for a living? I'm an option writer, and I take advantage of the markets, and I take advantage of the casino floors action filled with saps all over the place. There are saps everywhere who are getting lost in the light show. They're interest rates are coming down. There's a new keychain. Oh, I love it. I just love it. You guys are going to be telling me, many of you are going to be telling me, oh, Bruce, oh, man, am I glad I listened to you last week. I did this, and I won, and I've taken a new position, another new position. I crossed my arms, and I love this game. Absolutely. Are we having fun? Oh, yes, we are. Welcome, everybody. Let's go, baby. The credit savers, the old man and Uncle Bruce are my best friends. What can I say? What else is going on? Good morning, everybody, from JJ. We're only a couple of minutes from the bell. Thank you, Splair. Let's see. Waverly, I was looking at Spire, Feb 24, $6 cash secured puts. They look kind of tasty at 146. What are your thoughts? Yeah, that might be a move. Waverly, or what the end of your year selling might be better to wait. If it's a premium, it's a premium. You take the premium. JR, it's not like I'm complaining. If my stock watch list has a red day, I win. My options become more valuable. I'll take it. It's Ryan says, hi, guys. Hey, guys, I wrote a Tesla covered call about 1 to 2 weeks ago when it was around 215 range for December, 255 call for $1.60. Should I give it another week or roll today or tomorrow? If you can roll for a profit, then I would take a look at it. I would absolutely take a look at it. You want to move that, you want to move it up, I think. But let's see. It's right. It's still 30 days left. So, you don't have to. But, yeah, credit savers, roll to January, take more money. There you go. JR, waiting on the bell. Larry, Alberto, let's get this loot. Credit savers, I'm rolled into June with some of my covered calls. I don't care. Give me money. Laugh out loud. Take me out. Take me out. I dare you to take me out. 740 on SoFi coming into the opening. We open in a minute. Thank you to Larry Titus for being here with us today and keeping us posted on where we're at, what's going on, hitting the bells as usual. Absolutely fabulous. Thank you all for being part of the program and joining us here. We're up 46 on the Dow with a minute or so to go. We're up 9 on S&P. We're up 70 on NASDAQ, approximately, is what we're looking at right now. We'll find out in a few minutes just how this market really wants to react. That was up 489 yesterday. Let's see if it can hold that, add to it or not. 40-point gain on the pre-market, not too convincing that we're going any higher quickly, but, maybe a little dead cat bounce to start the day, profit-taking, little rally, little profit-taking. We'll see how all works out. It would be a win if the market didn't move today. If it didn't lose but didn't gain and broke even, that would be a win because you're holding the gains. I don't know if we can hold the gains. That's the thing. Thank you, Lair, for the bells. Everyone's saying thank you. The bells are underway. We're here. Here we go. All right, well, let's see what happens. Wendy, thank you for your PayPal donation for classes. I will get you your 5. Send me a private email and let me know which 5 you want, and I'll get you looked after the show is over. Fantastic. Thank you to Alberto. I missed this. Boom, apple pie beach boy, not a lurker in Lorraine, made a love connection via Discord. I honestly, I don't know what this means, but thank you for the donation. Love connection. I don't know. I do the best I can with so little. Thank you, everyone, for supporting me and being here for us. You guys are awesome. Thank you, Alberto. You're awesome, buddy. Thank you, everybody. Sell my house fast upper Marlboro. Good morning. I'm number 92. Beach Boy Larry is the best. Alberto, thanks for the answer, Uncle B. I sent a pie donation. There you go. Thank you, buddy. Coffee Kids Trading, number 95, Bruce. Thank you, everybody. All right, we're going to member-only mode now. Become a member of this channel, please. And you can comment during the live show here as we're on the air. Ask me anything you want. We'll do the best we can to help figure it out with you. Thank you all so much for your participation in this channel, whether you're just a viewer, a subscriber, thank you. Also, if you're a member, double thank you. And if you're a Gold Bagel member, the triple and quadruple thank you of thank yous for supporting us and keeping us on the air. Jen and I are getting ready. 2.5 weeks down south we go. There's a doctor waiting for her. She's going to get her new hip here, second hip, and we thank you for all these donations that helps us get her hip funded and get her into therapy to build strength. Fantastic stuff. Like I said, you guys are awesome, and we couldn't do it without you. Thank you. Let's hope you make nothing but big time dinero today. That's what I want for all of you here. I want you to get richer. We're up 139 on the Dow. It seems, we'll see if this is real or Memorex. We'll find out. We've got Rocket Lab ahead by, looks like 3 cents, maybe 4. SoFi 728 at the moment. Started with a bit of a dip. Did someone get sold out? I don't know. I think we hit the low of $7.25 just about now. I guess. It's a bargain, just a bargain. 3.9 million to start the morning on SoFi. GameStop up 37 to 13.28. Matterport down a nickel. 23andMe is at 86. We were at 90 cents in the morning. Watching ME, there's something happening there. Spire, we're up 19 to 488. 8TIP up 2 cents. We got Smart Rent up 2.5 now to 315, 316. Apple up 99. Goldman up 126. Cisco up 4. Tesla up $1. Arc Innovations up $0.25. Microsoft up 244, sitting at 371.96. This is the high of the year of all time. Pfizer up 9 cents. HPQ up a nickel. Google up 61. Amazon up 70. Nvidia's up just 6 cents at 496. Unity down 22. AI down 6. Adobe down $1. The 52-week high 613. We're at 604.70. Spiders are up 188. Netflix is up $8. Qs are up 204. 387.37. We're near the high of 52-week high right now. IBM up $1.12, and Meta up 17 cents. That is where I'm at the moment. And that is the story right now. 729 on SoFi. Make it 730. It looks like it's coming on again. SoFi improving a little bit now. 1332 on GameStop, up 42 cents. At the moment. One's going one way, one's going the other, but SoFi seems to be rebounding from the 725 or 722 low of the session. That was right off the bat, right off the get-go. We were there, and now we're climbing again. I have no news to specifically tell you, but there has been talk of analysts. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. What else? Not a lurker. Alberto laughing out loud. You are too much fake news. Not a lurker is laughing. JR, Uncle Bruce, my April 24 $7 SoFi cash secured puts are up 20%. Time to take the money and reset? No, not yet. I would wait it up. Alberta, I hope you all know this is a joke. Sell my house, tanking on SoFi. Long live covered calls. Not a lurker anymore. All good, making me laugh. Alberto, SoFi goes positive in a month, folks. Grab this gift between now and the end of the quarter. Oh my God. Yeah, this is so ridiculous. 7:32 now. Anyone selling here, you're an idiot. That's my thinking. You're an idiot. But hey, you can do that. We need sellers so buyers can get deals. So folks, you're being offered a Black Friday opportunity to buy SoFi under 10, under 12, under 20. Now, a year from now, 2 years from now, 5 years from now, 15 minutes from now, I don't know when you're going to go, oh, I remember the last time I saw it down here. I bought some of that stuff. Oh my, ever glad I rolled those cash secured puts when I did. Is this the moment? Maybe it was the moment a few days ago when we were in the 670 range. Now we're in the 730 range and people are going, oh, we're down. I don't know. We're 733. It seems to be coming back up right now. What else? JR, Uncle Bruce, I have 30 January 2024 iron condors, IWM. The puts have only about 30 cents to depreciate, and the stock is testing the calls. 175.85 roll or fold arms. Well, you've got January, so if you can move up your puts to bring a bigger credit in, can you bring in an extra buck, 50 cents, 80 cents? I don't know what your overall situation was and how you did it, but if the puts are way out and you can move them up a little bit here to bring in extra cash, yeah, out of the money, premiums coming in, why not? Yeah, absolutely. That's step one. You may do a call rollover down the road if necessary, but right now, a put upgrade would be a good idea on all of your calls out there, all of your condors out there, kids. If you have condors where your puts are down to 10, 20, 30, 40 cents each, and they were in the dollars when you created your condor, and you still have a month to go in time or longer, move up those puts, roll them up, and close out these and create two new puts. You can also play the game where you move up the puts, the ones you're writing, but the ones that you're buying as insurance, instead of having a $5 or a $10 spread, you can make that 15 or 20. It depends on your marginability, depends on your account. I don't know the positions you're in, and I don't know what your platform people will or will not let you do. So a lot of caveats there, because again, I don't trade for you. I can only give you advisement of my experience. You could look to widen the spread, to haul in $1.50 but only pay 20 cents to insure it, or haul in 180 and pay 40 cents to insure it instead of paying 80 cents to insure it, or $1 to insure it. You can build a credit spread with more cash into your account. That's the plan. And if you move your calls up because of that, you built this credit balance higher to now do a move on the calls. Again, you move up the call you've written, and you move up the call you're buying as insurance, but you're now going to a $15 or $20 spread instead of a 10. Then there's a credit there. The call you're selling has gone up, and the call you're going to buy now is way cheaper. That credit goes towards the call cost, the one you're writing, to be able to move up. So again, each one of you is in your own unique scenario, your own numbers, your own quantities, your own brokers, and so you have work to do. Welcome to the option business. This is what you do. Oh, are we having fun here? Thank you, everybody. Alex, I just sold AI 2750 expiring April for $6.95. Woof, woof, woof. Well done. AI right now, 30.21 is the stock price. And here's 2750s for $7. Nice little premium there for April. Not bad. The stock backs off to 28.50 next week. If it does that, these calls back off quickly. Yeah, absolutely. And the 795 is in the house. That is $7 on top of 27.50. 34.50 is now in the house potentially if you get taken out. Thank you. Make them take you out. You want them to buy you at 27.50. Yeah, you just got 34.50. It's trading at 31. Yeah, of course, take me out. Take me out now. I'll buy the stock back at 31. I just got paid 34.50 for it. Of course. Then what? I'm going to write more 27.50s or 29s or 30s. Yeah, I dare you to exercise me. Why not? Yes. Take the premium. Premium, baby. Premium, yes. 735 on SoFi, down just 14 cents. SoFi seems to be the pushing the higher end of the day now. 734 coming on again. So there you go. I don't know how high it'll go, how low it'll go, but it's at 735 now. So there you go. Like William Shatner would say, 735 is where we're at on SoFi. All right. Thank you, Captain Kirk. Congratulations all. Well done on your option writing. Make the gamblers take the risks on your behalf. Even if you're writing in the money contracts, you can play this game. If you can get a premium over and above the in the money, then this is a game worth playing. Absolutely worth playing. Writing AI 2750s, even writing 30s right now with the stock at 30. Sure. If you can get a premium, a healthy premium on top of this book value, this is a game worth playing. All righty, here we go. JR, okay, just set a stinker to bring in another $1.07 on these calls. I'll take it. Thanks for the advice. Oh, just hit bingo, Beach Boy. Here's some shekels for you. Congrats to Not a Lurker, Lorraine and Alberto, who'll jump from the cake. By the way, is Lorraine's current husband invited? I have no idea what's going on, but it sounds like fun. Not a Lurker, Uncle Bruce, can you look at the Meta Iron Condor? I can roll from December 15 to December 22, going from 355 to 360. What do you think about this? If the credit is there, if the 22nd of December contract brings you the capital to take you out of the 15 with the rollover, there's nothing wrong with that move. January 19th, the third Friday in January, you might even get more than the cost of the rollover. Maybe you can do the rollover with a credit on top of that. So you moved up 5 on the calls and you took in more cash. Can you do that? Can you sell the call that's gone up for you, replace it with a cheaper call because you're spreading it a little further to January, and then move your call that you're going to write from, is it 55 to 60 or 55 to 65 even? Can you do that? Meta, I don't have it in front of me at this second, but can you do it? We're at 336 on the stock. Is there a reason to make the move at the moment? Not really, but if you can bring in cash to do it. Okay. Anyway, there you have it. Lots to think about here, lots to look at here. We are up 91 on the Dow and only 91. We're up 12 on S&P. We're up 47 on NASDAQ. These indexes are only up a quarter to a third of a point. We're not running like last night we were running. It's not the same. Oil is down $1, 77.23 by the buy. Interesting. We'll see how this holds up. The Dow was up 134, 135. Now we're only up about 87. So quickly in what is it, 13 minutes, we've already backed up here from our first initial run up. I don't know if this is all there is to it. This is just, we're going to have buy and sell programs come in here a lot now. I believe it. The high was 34,977. We're 34,917. We've given up 60 points on the Dow in about 4 or 5 minutes. So just to be warned, be aware of that, okay? Just be aware of that. End phase up another 465 to 96.04. Very interesting. The spiders are up 133. Qs are up 161. GameStop up 45 to 1336. SoFi 728 now, down 20 cents. Volume on SoFi for the session is 6.8 million shares. So far, that is our situation there. Excuse me. Apple up just 79 cents. Netflix holding a $12 gain. Adobe, though, down 288. AI up 62. NVIDIA down 279. A little giving up there. Tesla up 370 to 241. Rocket Lab up just 7 cents, 7.5. Matterport down 2. SmartRent up 3.5. Owens Corning up 34. ATIP up 3 cents. Unity up 24. Google up 21. Moderna up 260. Cisco down a penny. Pfizer up 41 cents. IBM at 151.38 up 97. HPQ up 21 cents. Microsoft up $1.40 at 370.92 after topping out at 373.13. We've given up some ground on Microsoft. ME at 86 cents. Amazon down 68 cents. Home Depot up 150 now to 305. Vanik Semiconductors up 72 cents. Goldman down 11. Boeing up 230. Meta down 95. Target up 18. JP Morgan up 93. Costco up 680. Walmart up $1. Disney up 280. American Airlines up 18. DraftKings down 21 cents. AMC up 13 to 8.20 a share. Far cry from the 10 something we were doing. Royal Caribbean 102.96 up 15 cents. Just not paying attention to reality at a Royal Caribbean. But hey, investors go nuts. Knock yourselves out. All right, let's see now. What else I got here? JR, same situation on some spider iron condors. Calls being tested, but puts have 161 left to depreciate. Hold the line. Can't give you an answer without the full picture, but you know the answer pretty well. Not a lurker, cost of rollovers 15. Wing Commander, member for 28 months. Can I have a cake and a glass of celebratory Lambrini? Not a lurker, face palm. What? Splair, Disney moved to 94 now. Bobby, Morning we saw an article. ME received its notice for being under $1 yesterday. They got the notice. This is just this automatic computer printouts. If they break the buck, we're off the chart there. Wing Commander, wow, says JR. Torben, new member. Torben is a new member of the channel. Children Uncle Bruce level. Welcome, Torben, to the group. Nice to have you here at this level. Congratulations. And if you're watching, taking classes and becoming part of the group here, absolutely fantastic. You're going to learn a lot. Someday you may want to become a gold bagel level member, but that will, when the time is right, the time is right. Welcome to the party, pal. Nice to have you here. This is good stuff. Thank you all who are joining in. We have 106 thumbs ups. Thank you for that as well, everybody. This is great. Wing Commander, remember those Tesla iron condors from a month ago? I created these for the third Friday, closed at an 80% profit, average 260. Now I need to deal with Apple, which I did not close last week because I'm an idiot. Not a lurker. Torben, welcome. Torben is saying, hello, I'm here. Welcome, Torben. TB is in the house. Alex, welcome, TB. Not a lurker. January 19, get a credit of $3.60. Not a bad move there. $360 a condor. Nice going. The Dow's up 85. S&P up 13. NASDAQ up 55. That is the deal. At the moment, we've got the oil down 86 cents. SoFi 731 range, give or take. GameStop 1333 up 43 cents. At the moment, that's what I see this market kind of doing. Splair, welcome. You're at the right place to change something for your personal advantage, says Splair from Dortmund to Torben. Welcome, Torben, and it's great to have you. Where are you watching me from, Torben? Where are you at? Are you in America? Are you in Europe? Where are you from? I'm going to guess Norway or Sweden, or that name is to me is Baltic sort of. Where are you from? Are you from Cleveland? No, Bruce, I'm from Airdrie, Alberta, just north of town. Where are you from? Let me know if you want. You can let us know where you're from. We love you. We love all our viewers from around the world here live. We're up 76 on the Dow. We're giving up a little more ground on the Dow. Watching this market. 734, SoFi seems to be coming back a bit. Just down 16 cents here. Yeah, volume now on SoFi, 7.8 million. Buying is coming in, picking up the cheap stock. GameStop, 1333. Volume, 681,000. We need 50 million a day on GameStop. That's what we're looking for. 50 million shares a day. Let's go. Come on, GameStop. I like the stock. All right. There it is, everybody. Welcome to the program. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the fun zone. 108 thumbs ups. Thank you all for popping through here. This is good stuff. Wing Commander, I went from up 73% to down 189% unrealized profit or loss within 2 days. Lesson learned. Got greedy on the return. There you go, Wing Commander. Well, not to worry. You can always look at a rollover. Apple itself today got up to 188.70. We're at 188.51 here at the moment. It's trading at 30.7 times earnings. It's had a good run this last week. A week ago, we were as low as 181.90. In the last month, our friends at Apple have been as low as 166. So it's a 22, or even 165, a $23 gain in the last 2.5 weeks. Maybe a little overcooked on Apple. Maybe Apple will give up a little bit of ground here. Credit spreads on calls might be an idea on Apple, but be wary and be mindful and be ahead of that market. All right, what's going on here? BW, was that hilarious? Are you from Norway, perhaps Cleveland? Alberto, Torben, what's up? Welcome aboard. Torben says thank you. Not a lurker, Three Hills, Canada. Oh, yeah, where are you from, Torben? Let us know if you want. Thank you for being here, and I welcome you to the channel. We got a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun here. AI at 30.41, up 78 cents, but Adobe down 4.80 to 5.99. Interesting. Netflix holding a $12 run up at 460, got up to 462 today. Still holding this 460-61 neighborhood. Apple now 188.38, up 93 cents. All righty. Nvidia's down $5. Tesla's up 290 at $240. We got up to 242 now. We're at 239.89 on Tesla. We've got what else going on here? Unity up 31, Google up 47, Moderna up 250. What else is happening here? Microsoft up 88 cents. It was up $1. Now it's only up 88 cents. Microsoft got to 373. It's now 370.40. So it's losing almost $3 from its high in 15 minutes, 10, 15 minutes. So there's pullbacks going on. A little bit of pullback happening here. Not surprising at all. Watch for this. And this is why I've been kind of saying to you, if you did rollovers and you rolled up, you're now going to be rewarded. If you've rolled up $5 or $10 on your calls on condors, and we see a $2, $3, $4 pullback as the day wears on, those rollovers will immediately pay you. They will immediately reward you as these calls come out of the money, depreciate, everything else working in your favor. Plus, you're sitting on extra cash. Hey, okay. Let's see what gives. Welcome, everyone, to the show. Not a lurker. Laugh Out Loud Meta is dropping. I think I will deploy arm folding. That's what I'm going to do right now. Arm folding. All right. Welcome all to the program and to the show today. We have 108 thumbs ups. Thank you all for that. If you're able to hit that thumbs up button for us, we appreciate it. I'm from Denmark. There we go. I love it, Torben. Denmark, what a beautiful place. Welcome, my friend. He's laughing. Is it Copenhagen? Are you near? I was just there. Jen and I love Copenhagen. It was beautiful. Thank you, Torben. It's great to see you here, my man. You're amongst friends, and you're amongst fellow profit makers, option writers. You're in a family of winners, and I appreciate you being here. And I hope you enjoy the party that you've become part of. It should be a lot of fun around here. Fantastic. Well, let's just, let's see what's going on. Giddy up, kids. We've got interest rates 4.53 on 10 years. We were down to 4.43 this morning, a little higher now, but we've had a nice run. The US dollar gaining a little bit back on the euro and the pound, but they're still up about 2 cents each this week. They're doing okay. European markets are positive, third of a point, 3/4 of a point, but they're just catching up with yesterday's big gains, but they're not running any further on us. The US markets now, the Dow up 74, S&P up 8, Nasdaq up 25. We're not even up a quarter of a point on any of these markets now. We're really flat. Oil down 83 cents. Here you go. We could go red. We really could. We could go red on the indexes for some profit taking. It is entirely possible. We are pretty hot right now. All right, there it is. Yeah, let's see. Blair, go TTWO back to 155, please. It's only $2 away. Torben, I'm really not trying to sound stupid, but can I do the payment for the classes via the PayPal donation link in the video description, or is there another link to use? The PayPal link is, let me show you the PayPal link. Let's see if I can pop this up for you. There's a PayPal link right here. There's the PayPal link right below in the description of this video. It should be there all the time, but there it is. You can make the donation right there, $599.99 U.S. funds, and then send me a private email at brucefarmer@hotmail.com, which is also down below, and you'll be looked after. I'll get you the 5 you need. JR, Uncle Bruce, do you have an early opening this weekend for a one-on-one? I am feeling scattered and I need some focus. Yes, I think I do. Uncle Bruce, do you have an early opening this weekend? Yes, I do have an opening. If you want, send me a private email and let me know when you want to do something. You want to do something Saturday in the morning? Let me know. Quote me Eastern times though. So do you want to do something like a 10 Eastern or noon Eastern, 2 o'clock Eastern? I know you're in California, so 3 hours back. So it's 7 a.m., 9 a.m., 11 a.m. your time. Is something like that work for you Saturday? Let me know, okay? All right. Very good. Stephen, donation came in from Stephen. 5 classes. Let me know which 5 you want, and we're good to go, okay? Alrighty, there you go. These PayPal donations sometimes flash on my phone screen so I can see them and acknowledge you guys. Thank you all. We'll get you set up as quick as we can. Starlene, thank you. Starlene, Ottawa, gotcha. Right on, Starlene. You are busy. Giddy up. And you guys let me know if you want these 5 classes with the price of 4, get them now. The deal ends in 48 hours. So Friday coming up. All right, everybody. Thank you all. There we go. Wendy, thank you for your message on which classes you want. I'll get you looked after I'm off the air today. So thank you for that. I got your email. Just double checking. Sometimes they come in as junk mail, so I have to really be careful. We're on it. We're on it. Well done, everybody. Thank you all. And we'll get you set up. Okay, everyone. Thank you so much. All right. We're up 11 on Rocket Lab. We're down to 18 on SoFi at 7:30 right now. GameStop up 26, 13.16. Matterport unchanged. 23andMe at 85.3 cents. Spire at 495.5. ATIP up 3. SmartRent up 2. Apple is at 188.28, up 84 cents. Goldman up 18 cents. Cisco up 18 cents. Tesla is up 275 at 240.17. ARC Innovations up 82 cents. Microsoft up 111. Pfizer up 32. HBQ up 26. Google up 42 cents. Amazon down 59. We got NVIDIA down 770 now at 488. Unity up 32, AI up 42, Adobe down 687 at 597, Spiders up 114. We've got Netflix up 1093, Triple Q's up 97, IBM up 84, and Meta down 230. That's where I'm seeing it right at the moment. All righty. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody, for being here. We've got a lot going on. All righty, let's move over here. 1316 on GameStop. And the Dow right now, hang on. I think we're up 92, 97, trying a little rally, up 12 on S&P, up 34 on NASDAQ. Oil down 80. Okay, everybody. Welcome to the party this morning. Let's see. What else we got here? Excuse me. excuse me. Chase Rosita. Good morning, everybody. Alex Splair. That swimming pool in the water outside the hotel was pretty cool. I've been to Copenhagen once as a poor student. Definitely want to go back someday. Yeah, watching my video there on Copenhagen. Luke, I wrote 3 iron condors on NVIDIA for December 15. The puts 394 and the calls 510, 520 on NVIDIA. And we are at 490 right now on the markets, and down $6. So Luca, you're looking good. There, your calls are out of the money. Your puts are out of the money. You're looking all right. Let's see, he says. Let's see what happens. Right on, pal. December 15. Splair, for me, even that hotel looked pretty clean and comfortable, and the stuff around it was just gorgeous. Denmark definitely knows how to create a beautiful city. Luca, $10, €10, and a big, massive grazia, Uncle B. Thank you, Luca, for the donation, and just make money. I love it. Splair, but I'm from the, what is this? I'm everything somehow mostly looking older crap because of the industrial history. You're from the Ruhr area. I hear you. I hear you. Yes. Alberto, nice work, Luca. Way to go writing those condors, taking that spread as wide as a country mile. Hey, NVIDIA, 489 down $7. A little cooling down doesn't hurt a bit. Absolutely, Luca. Well done, sir. Keep up the good work. We'll keep an eye on it. You keep an eye on it. Keep me posted. And let's just take in the dough. SoFi, 734, down just 14 cents. Okay. Giddy up, everybody. The Dow up 83 right now. Okay. Thank you all for being part of the show and the gang and everything else. Love these donations. Thank you. The Jen's hip thanks you as well. Jennifer says thank you. Another donation towards that hip replacement fund. Those of you who want to have a one-on-one with me, send me a private email, bruceforman@hotmail.com, and let me know when you'd like to get together. You can get together with me Saturday or Sunday. Send me an email. Say, Bruce, can you give me an opening? I'll send you a $400 donation as quick as I can. I will be happy to try to book you in, and then we'll set up a one-on-one camera session for us, and we will go over where you're at, what you're doing, what your options are, what your potential is, what you should or should not think of doing, and let's help get you richer. Simple as that. Absolutely. Splair, TTW is having a hard time with passing through 155. Well, Splair, markets go up and down. You gotta be on it. Be careful out there. Anyway, we're up 10 on the S&P. We're up 33 on NASDAQ. Barely a quarter of a point is all we're getting right now. Not very much. Not very much happening. This market is poised for profit taking. The question is, when does it want to do it and how badly? Tomorrow is Thursday, then Friday, option expiry Friday for the third Friday of the month. That's the big one coming up. We got to watch for that. The volatility, I'm sure, is going to run higher. I'm certain of it. We'll see what gives. At the moment, the VIX doesn't seem to care too much. We're at 1410, down 6 cents on the VIX. A little positive, barely, but that can turn in a heartbeat. We've got to watch for that. Okay, everyone? All righty. Thank you all for being part of the gang today. We have 115 thumbs ups. Fabulous. It's time to, I think, acknowledge our friends, the Knights of Knee. We do not want to ignore the Knights of Knee. If you're a follower of this channel, you know how important it is to honor these fellows. Do not get on their bad side, because if you do that, you are in peril. You are asking for trouble. The vibes might not work out in your favor. The Knights of Knee are watching us. Every move we make, they're looking for elderberries. Be careful. The Knights of Knee are out there. Honor and acknowledge the Knights of Knee. Thank you, Richard. Not a lurker. Adobe down 612. Dragon Meta with it. How about that? Options Nomads. Neat. Right on, Options Nomads. Hello there. Larry Titus. Neat. Oh man, Blair's going. I'll try my best. Until now, it's a healthy day by day. Anyway, Karen, neat. Blair, neat. Chase, Rosita Parker, neat. IR Aaron, neat. Luca, neat. Everyone knows Maria Powell, neat. I'm here. I'm not gonna miss out on that. Torben, got it. Torben, I got your donation for 5 classes. Send me a private email. Let me know what 5 classes you would like, and we'll get you set up after the show. Right on, everybody. We'll get you done. Not going to miss out on this. Fun, everybody. Thank you all for popping through here. Great to see you all, and congratulations to all the class takers today. Here is Auntie Jen. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm busy today. Very busy day today here. Lots going on.
Yeah.
We're working on all kinds of stuff here. Oh man, 115 thumbs up. So we got Maria Powell with the knee emojis. Lucas coming in here. IR Aaron, Chase, Rosita Parker. Good morning, Auntie Jen from Splair. People are saying hi to you already. Here they come. Richard Carlin saying good morning, Auntie Jen.
Good morning, Richard.
We have a market that is up, but we've been up like 500 points a couple of days in a row here. We've had like a little too much exuberance, in my humble opinion. But the market really wants to just keep going higher because the market wants to get ahead 2 years from now and just, I'll buy stock now that's going to be a winner in 2 years.
Yeah.
Without all the gyrations.
I bought it at the bottom.
I can say I did it right. Fear of missing out. Yes. I think people are a little too exuberant over there. Alberto, Tia, Jen, how you doing?
How you doing?
Alberto made a donation to us this morning. Another donation towards your HIP fund. So it's awfully
making money on the market.
He's making money. Alex, neat. BW. This is a trading channel. I thought it was a Monty Python laughing channel. Larry Titus. Good morning, Auntie Jen.
Good morning, Larry.
Good morning, Larry. Yes, we are watching all kinds of developments. We've got folks here taking advantage of the buy 5 for the price of 4.
Yes, good.
It expires Friday coming up, and so people are jumping. We've got about 3 or 4 people who've jumped in here. And what they have to know is how important this is for someone's hip over here. Very important. This is going towards that area right there, helping you get smarter and richer and helping someone relieve her
I'll be able to jump over this desk.
I'm in big trouble here.
In my mind.
In her mind, yes, in her mind, jumping over this desk to get at me. Oh my gosh!
I know a guy who could do that when many lifetimes ago we had a store, and he wasn't that big of a guy,
but he could
jump over the counter.
The guy could
clear the counter.
Could clear a 4-foot high
in front of it
counter and just
jump
from the front to the back. He just
no running start. Just
he was like
jump.
He was my perfect employee for shrinkage. If someone someone's trying to steal something, he could just jump over the counter and catch the kid faster than the kid.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
That would be it.
There were times. Such fun. Alberto, I accidentally made a boatload being assigned early. What the hey? Let's go. Alberto.
Hey.
Alberto wrote a bunch of cash secured puts.
Okay.
I believe it was on SoFi.
Yeah.
I think it was SoFi. And he got assigned. And so he got the price of the assignment and the credit, all this cash that he gets to keep. And so he just turned around and wrote more cash secured puts. Thank you. And it was a wonderful
work that first time.
Yeah, we love this. TJ, neat. Folks are hitting the knee emojis here. We're never afraid of the upside. We dare them to assign us.
Don't be afraid of any assignation.
Oh gosh, no. So we're watching a lot of stuff here. The Dow's up now 112. We're getting these waves up and down and up and down. But we're only up a third of a point here. We're not really
happy with the inflation numbers.
They're
a week away from Thanksgiving, so they're looking forward to family and food, football.
See, I am convinced there will be profit taking before Thanksgiving, and then tax loss selling will dominate the show, and we're going down. We're not going to crash. we're not going to see a market lose everything. We're just going to see moderation,
A pullback.
pullback,
profit
and that's
taking.
going to make folks here who are smart enough and bold enough and clever enough to do
Yeah.
roll-ups now go, oh, my glad I did these roll-ups.
Well,
Oh, this is
Depending
great.
on where you wrote your condor, just keep it in the middle.
That's it.
Just keeps it floating in
This
the middle.
is it.
Just like one of those little whales. Just
yeah.
not too high, not too low. Just
Yeah,
floating.
Pat Berkeley. Neat, 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 neat. There you go. There you go. We're all honoring the Knights of Knee because we know how important they are to the momentum of this channel and to the overall markets. You do not upset the Knights of Knee. You must let them know that we are thinking of them. Absolutely. 738 on SoFi, just down a dime now. We went all the way down to 722. Now we're back to 738. And the high today, 740. We're going to hit new highs. We're going to go positive on SoFi. Sooner or later, it'll go green again. But, every once in a while, we get a little wave. We're on 11 million shares now for SoFi on the session. GameStop, 1313, holding a 23-cent gain on a million volume. We've broke a million now in the first hour of the session. There's where we're at on that. Oil down 99 cents right now. We're doing a Gretzky on oil. We're down 99 cents. There you have it. Yes, this channel, these folks here are busy today. I got a number of people who are getting classes and now getting some one-on-one emails, and it's
they
busy.
got questions.
We got stuff to work on here.
Stuff.
Yes, we got to wait.
They got Christmas to buy.
We got to get richer. I just rolled 7 put spreads on an iron condor, up in price a little, so they were so far out. Market will crash in a day or two, so get ready. It's all good. I've moved up the puts now. Watch the market come down.
Of course.
Well, then you will roll the puts forward in time and take a bigger credit. Don't worry, you will constantly win. Option writers always win. Casinos always win. You're a casino. Remember, you're not a cat. You're not going to be a cat. You're going to be a casino. See, that's the difference. You see, we're not cats. We're casinos.
This isn't buying stocks, putting it in your portfolio, and then sitting there and watching it collect. This gives you something to do.
I was talking earlier this week about how people. There was one article this week about a guy who said, "I'm allowed to talk to my financial advisor, once a year for an hour.
Yeah,
I'm allowed to talk to my financial with all my hundreds of thousands of dollars. Yeah. I am allowed to talk to them once a year for an hour."
Unfortunately, that's probably all it takes, because they're going to say to him, "You have this mutual fund. This is what it's done over the past year. Okay, bye. Okay, love you. Bye-bye."
You filled out the questionnaire about your risk tolerance levels. Yeah. We're adhering to the risk tolerance levels. You're doing great. You're up 7%. See you next year. Yeah. Wow, what an easy way to make money as a financial wealth advisor.
Through no fault of
an
the advisor's own
way. Yeah. That's good money. These wealth advisors take their families on vacation to Hawaii, Maui, or to Puerto Vallarta, or to Punta Cana, or wherever they're going to, because they are making hundreds of thousands, 400,000, 500,000, 600,000 a year with bonuses. And these folks are the peons. These are the people that talk to you. These are the low-level folks. They're managers and VPs and senior VPs.
The ones with the whales.
They're the ones making the millions a year and bonuses. They're the ones who fly by private jet to Barbados, to Punta Cana, or to Paris, or to where. They're the ones really making the money on your money. They're doing just fine, and they love it that you fall for this. There are people out there who fall for this trap. They give these guys, they inherit money, they get a buyout from work, and they give these wealth advisors $750,000 to manage their affairs, and they figure that 6-8% is pretty darn good. Right here, there are people who are going, I don't think so. I like this idea of I like doing what Alberto does.
35%.
Yeah, I like doing what Beach Boy does. I like doing what Pat Merkley does. I like doing what Dude does and what Splair does, and everyone in their own size, JR and everybody else. I love these massive returns every time I do this stuff. This is cool. This is
And Splair is like the poster boy for newbies.
Yeah.
That you can start with a little amount. Just apply yourself, and it's just going to grow.
That's right.
It's just going to grow.
That's right. That's
the
right.
ivy will cover the entire house.
The confidence level of Tsla today versus a year ago is unmeasurable.
2 years ago.
And 2 years ago, off the charts.
Not even in the same room.
The confidence level of everyone here
Yeah.
in the last 2 years has just really risen. So many viewers of this channel who've come and gone and who watch me now once in a blue moon because they're doing just fine.
Yeah.
Are the confidence level is so high. These markets gyrations, water off a duck's back.
Yeah, it's an
Things have really
opportunity.
changed. The newbies who are coming in here see the comments from the regulars and go, I want to be like these guys.
Yeah.
I want to be like these people, these guys and girls here. This is pretty good stuff. And there is no question that winning begets winning, and confidence grows and builds, and so does cash flow around here. Comments. I've just got to catch up, see if anyone wants to say anything to Auntie Jen here. Where am I here? Here we go. Dude is saying, hi, everybody. Uncle Bruce, I rolled the put side up on the gold bagel tip for the November 1, took in $1, moved to 210, 200 to 210, taking another $1. Nice job, Splair. I just hope GTA 6, the topic, will help my channel growing. And by the way, mentioned you as well in there, Uncle B. Thank you. JR, good morning, Auntie Jen. I'm looking forward to meeting up with the two of you in California after the new hip is installed.
Woo-hoo.
Yes. BW, Uncle Bruce, I have AI July 24, 27 and a halves. All right, hang on a second. I got to get up here. Okay, I have AI July 2750s. I sold at $6.
Okay.
A buyback would be 8 to 8.30 a share. Okay. So I'm losing. I can roll up and out.
Yeah.
Does Jan 25 30s at 9? Is that a good idea? Well, going from 27.50 to 30 is a real good move, and going to 9 is a wonderful thing. Or go way out there and write the Jan 26 30s for 11.50. Money's nice, but 2 years out, do I want to do that? I would take the first option. I would look at the Jan 25 30s, and I take the little extra money and the 250 in premium move. The stock next week drops $1.50 on just fluctuations. That 9 call will go to 8. And of course, through the new year, obviously these will drop. If the shares want to drop $4 or $5 on a real big profit taking day, just even for an hour, you might go from 9 to 6.5, buy them back.
Yeah.
It comes back on, you write again.
You never know.
Yeah, so I would do the $9 one.
Ride the wave.
Ride the wave. Dude, I'm thinking I could roll further in if we stay up here. But for now, I thought with the December 1 expiry, take the premium. Yes. Rolling to the 15 Delta for the sold seems like a safe distance. Yes. Yes, dude, you are on it. A wing. Speaking of rollovers, I rolled my January 24 Microsoft 295s into Jan 26 355s at net zero. Take me out. I have nothing but time. Yes. Yes, sir, Wing Commander. You are on the right track.
Time is your favorite.
Microsoft, is at 370 right now. The high was 373, which is the high of all time. You're fine. A 360 market in a week or two. What do you care? Down go the premiums, but they take you out. I don't think so, but hey, you're going to do just fine.
I'm out
Jen
of here.
is
Everybody
out of here.
Good questions for Uncle Bruce for tonight.
That's right. Tonight, Wednesday night, prime time with Uncle Bruce.
I want to see him scratching his head.
If you're a Gold Bagel member, you're joining me tonight, 7 o'clock Eastern time. Upgrade to Gold Bagel level. Join me every Wednesday night, 7 o'clock Eastern.
Bye, everybody.
And we talk about these markets and your trades. Thank you, Auntie Jen. We'll see you later. Have a good one. Beautiful stuff. Splair, the first 3 months after the first classes are crucial and make you comfortable. After that, you search for new strategies and you will find them until class 12, for experts until class 16 for sure. Alex Wing, that is a seriously good trade. Well done. Pharma. So is the new hip going to be the Elvis rate? I don't know what this means. JR, speaking of confidence, when I first started, I was afraid to write one contract. Now I write 10, 20, 30, even 50. No sweat. Thank you, Uncle B. Right on, JR. BW, KK Bruce, thanks for that. I was thinking 2025 was better. It still leaves me a roll date to 2026 if needed. Yep, but I won't. But I won't down does the markets. Thanks, Eddie Jen, for the kudos too. Right on, BW. Rock and roll. You're on the right track here. 739, 740 on the SoFi shares. We're beginning to zoom in on the high today for SoFi. Only down about 9 or 10 cents a share on SoFi. There you have it. Interesting stuff. Oil down $1.08 to 77.18. Dow up 140, S&P up 18, NASDAQ up 63. A slight gain to 0.4 of a percentage point. Slight movement higher. Will it break? Will it continue to hold, or will there be a moment where profit takers come in? They go, "This is it. This is it." I don't know. But when the break happens, it's 100 points in 2 minutes. There will be no warning, and it won't be slight. It'll be dramatic, and it could be more than 100. I don't know. Get your rollovers done, kids. Do your roll-ups. Why not? Brian, number 120. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, my friends. Thank you for these thumbs ups all. Thank you for upgrading to gold level status. Thank you for being here as members, as subscribers, and the thumbs ups, everybody. Thank you very much. Also, class takers, well done. Getting 5 for the price of 4. And signing up for one-on-ones, let me know what you want to do. If you want a one-on-one this weekend, let me know. I don't have any of these pet psychology calls going this weekend. But I am offering the $400 help you get richer phone calls. Those I'm offering, but I'm sold out of those $550 pet psychology class 90-minute calls. I'm out of those right now, so I can't help you there. I and among others are booked up fully to help you and your pet. But for you and your money, maybe I can help you out. So there you go. Next Friday is the third Friday. Yes, it is. Next Friday is the third Friday of the month. Option volatility will be crazy. And not next Friday, this Friday, the day after tomorrow is the third Friday. This Friday, day after tomorrow. Watch out. Watch out. There's going to be volatility. I don't know how we're going to be up at these levels for sure. We may be down 500, 700, 800 points by Friday afternoon. I don't know. People are ignoring it or are not aware of it. And I think that's really the reality. A lot of people who are long right now are euphoric. They're full of all kinds of, I'm making money on my call options. They don't understand that Friday is the third Friday of the month. Volatility Central. Watch with a run of 2,000 points on the Dow, and we got the Volatility Friday coming up. No idea that 1,000 Dow points are at risk. No clue. This is why you got to do your roll-ups today. Get it done. There's no guarantees tomorrow or Friday. Whew. Splair. Bruce is only talking about our pets. They're known as stocks. Bruce is the stock whisperer as your pet, as opposed to your dog or your cat. But hey, can't help you with your dog or your cat, but I can help you with your stocks. If you want to talk about that. There you go. Up to you when you want to pull the trigger. Let me know, and we'll go from there. Thank you, everybody. Giddy up, everyone. Thank you all for joining in. Patrick, got your PayPal donation. It came through for classes. Gotcha. Got your email. So I'll get you looked after as well. Thank you, Torben. Got your email, Torben, so I'll take care of you after the show. Fantastic. Starlene got it. We'll look after you. And Wendy will take care of you and anyone else. So if you're picking up the 4 for 5 deal or 5 for 4 deal, however we're doing it, let me know. Send me those emails and I'll get you squared away after the show. We'll take care of you. Okay. No question. The deal ends just like the options. This Friday, it's over. So absolutely, guys. Okay. What else? Brian, just for your FYI here in Canada, I was looking at the new Kia interest leasing rates, 9.9% to lease a car. Financing 7%. Yeah, cost of cars is going up. Torben, hey guys, I'm really interested in joining the Discord channel. Who do I contact? You contact me, actually. I can send you an email for that link. And then Alex, I wrote a spider, a 465.70 credit spread expiring February for $1.80. Thank you, Uncle Bruce. Stock Whisperer. Right on, Alex. Splair, I think you have to send Uncle Bruce an email. Then he is contacting Tiff, or you get a link. Yes, send me an email that you want to be part of the Discord channel. I'll send you over to another link, and then you'll be scrutinized. The administrator will find out if you're real or a troll, and if you're real, you'll get in. If you're a troll, you won't get in. How about that? There you go. I don't run the Discord channel. I just will help you get there if I can. Okay. Thank you all for your support and your participation in the day today. We have 121 thumbs up. Fabulous stuff. I want to say thanks with all these hearts. Thank you guys for being part of the show and picking up some dough in this market. Boy, is this great. There are people here today who are making money more than an entire year of being a Gold Bagel member. They're making more money in one day now to cover every class they've ever taken at full price. They've paid for the class over and over and over then again on all 16 classes. There are folks who are here who have paid for all their one-on-ones, all their classes, all their Gold Bagel level memberships, covered all the losses they've had over years, and are way up and are adding to the upside. Congratulations and welcome to the party, pals. It's time to be on this side of the market. Well done, everyone. Dude, so what's going on with Not a Lurker and Lorraine? I'm catching up on the chat. I have no idea. I don't know what's going on. This is talk I'm not privy to. There's stuff happening on Discord. I don't know. I'm just here on the air working my tail off to try to help you guys get richer. I don't know the other stuff. I'm not part of it. I'm sorry. I can't help out there. Anyway, what can I tell you? We're up to 451 now on Rocket Lab, up 19 cents today. Thank you very much. SoFi 741 highs of the session are being done here. 742 now, highs of the day on SoFi. We're only down 7 cents. We're coming on here. GameStop up 42 to 13.32. Matterport is up 3 cents. 23andMe is up to 87. Spire up 12 to $5. ATIP is up 3. SmartRent up a dime. Apple up 87. Goldman down 7. Cisco up 18. Tesla's up 5.15. ARC Innovations up $1.50. Microsoft up 158 to 371. Pfizer up 62. HPQ up 53. Google is up 59. Amazon down 74. Nvidia is down 324 today. Unity is up 112. AI is up $1.05. Adobe down 733. Spiders are up 235. Netflix up 836. Qs are up 180. IBM up 160. Meta down $1.53. That is where we're at right here on this market. Watching a lot of activity here. SoFi 740, 742 now at the highs of the session. Okay. That's the deal. Lots to follow here. The Dow up, trying to hold up 145 right now, 146. We've got S&P up 20, NASDAQ up 73, oil down $1.14. That's the story right now. I'm sticking to it. Trying to get green, and some stocks are not quite green yet. 124 gains, thumbs up gains. Thank you everybody for that. It's appreciated. We're into the final 18 minutes of the show. What's going on here? Where am I at here? What's going on? Here we go. Splair. When everything goes fine today, I made in 2 days of vacation time, and I'm playing video games enough for 1 year premium membership. Right on there, Splair. Marvelous. Those puts I just rolled are already up 7%. Maybe I didn't roll up high enough. How about that, Brian? 11 degrees this weekend in Calgary. Seems like we're having an actual fall this year. Yeah, we're in the 50s. around here. Very nice. Blair, dude, I'm curious as well. Not a lurker. Nothing to see here. Laugh out loud. I blame Alberto. Not a lurker. Dude, JR, Uncle Bruce, you scroll. What is this? Uncle Bruce, you scroll as advertising your travel PayPal account. You're scrolling your travel PayPal account. Oh, I see what you're saying there. Yeah, that's true. Hang on. Let's see what's going on here. The PayPal, it doesn't really matter. It's the same. It'll work. But I can also fire up the other. Hang on. Let me just kind of try to get my act together. I'm all over the map here. Sorry, folks. Where am I? I'm here. Are you there or are you there? I'm there. Well, are you there or are you there? I'm there. But is that there or is that there? I don't know. I'm there. Okay, but what about over there? I don't know. I'm over here. I'm over here and I'm over there. But I'm also over there. Yes, I'm also over there. Okay. I'm all over the places where I'm actually at right now. Am I not? This PayPal is working. It's the same one, so it's okay. Yeah, just fired over there. It lands and it works and we get it done. Okay. It's all good. It's all good. PayPal is PayPal. It's working and it's helping out. Thank you. Congrats. For those of you trying to figure out your options profits, remember one way to figure out whether or not you can make money at playing options on condors is head over here, Options Profit Calculator. It's a website. Here's the website address right down here, optionsprofitcalculator.com. Simple. You can look it up on Google too. Just type in options profits, hit enter. You'll probably get this website. When you get to the homepage, go to the very top, it says Iron Condors. Click on that. Then you can find out and set up your Iron Condor trades. There you go. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for your support of the channel each and every time. Thank you all so very, very much. Okay. All righty. Where am I? I'm here. I'm right here. I am right here. Back to comments. Okay. Continuing on. Olivier. Hello there. Uncle Bruce, good question. I just got assigned a 350 call. It's part of an Iron Condor on MSF. Should I close the 360 at a loss? Expiring this Friday, I'm kind of lost here. So is this Microsoft? Are you talking about MSFT? Because now I'm lost. I need help to be brought in here. So if you got assigned on a 350, so you wrote 350-60, you wrote a 350 call on Microsoft, bought a 360 call on Microsoft, and is it trading at 369 and your 360 shouldn't be at a loss? It should be up in value. Olivier, do you want to send me a private email so I can answer this for you? Send me a private email and I'll do this after the show because I'm not sure what's going on here. Beach Boy, yeah, just Alberta was that come out of the cake here? Brian, oil going down. Uncle Bruce down 122. Edith, the big E, hello there. Edalith, I always mispronounce it. It's the big E. Neat. Apple pie, of course, says Beach Boy. Dude, okay, Alberto is cute. I got it. All right, Beach Boy. Gold, Saber, Cupid. Not a lurker, pile, dancer, Cupid. BW. I rolled him, Uncle B, out of July 24, 27 and a half, bought back 850 and rolled to Jan 25, 30, sold at 950. Come and get me now at 39.50. You gambling degenerates. Right on. You're not going back to Amazon, are you? You're not going back to work, are you? That's what you're saying. You're saying I'm not going to work for anybody anymore. I'm just going to do this. I think I understand what's going on here. Spare, thanks. That's a helpful info with the calculator. Olivia, yep. Microsoft, yep. Okay, Vulovituk, number 124. Olivier, will do. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Send me the details. Tell me, what did you do the Condor for when you did it? What did you get for it? The puts, the calls, and then let me help you figure out what we're at here. Okay. Brian, Uncle B, I have 9 GameStop covered calls. June 24s, $15 at 252. fold my arms time. I'm going to try and buy one more deep in the money. Then I'm going to have 10. I have also been putting my premiums into buying SoFi stock diversity, right? Yes, sir. Well done. 746 on SoFi. We're only down 2 cents on the session. SoFi is going to go green. We've already touched 747 on the day. We're down 2 cents, 3 cents on your SoFi. Well done, Brian. Fool of a Took, Bruce, I foresee the need for another one-on-one real soon. I haven't been the most successful with my iron condors. You let me know when ready, and we'll get together. We'll figure it out. We'll get you going. Not a problemo. We are holding 746 on SoFi. The high of the day, 747. We're ready to roll. 750 is the next stop for SoFi, and up we go, I think. We were down to 722 today. I don't know who's stupid enough to sell down there. I don't know. Why would you sell it? Splair, go, TTW around 4. Above 155 or a little dip to 154.5. Go, baby, go. Splair's making money. BW, Amazon is just a dirty river to me, Uncle B. Gross and slow rolling with Black Friday sales. They get ready for all year long. What is to miss? I don't miss nothing. Right on, buddy. Splair, Carvana is today outperforming, already high of the week for sure. Splair's watching all kinds of stuff. 745, 747 on SoFi. Looking good. Coming back to go green on SoFi. It's only a matter of time. The stock, we've run out of selling. I think so. There you go. Oil, 104 on the down dip, 77.22. Just another day in the oil market. Welcome to the party, everybody. Nice to see you here. Enphase, 97.10. Interesting writing cash secured puts on that stuff. Apple up just 92 cents. Adobe still down 7.30. AI 30.92. Take people out. Absolutely. Nvidia down 4.20. Tesla up $6. Doing great. Rocket Lab up 18 to 4.50. Nice going on Rocket Lab. Okay. Unity up $1. Nice. Moderna up 3.80. Nice. Pfizer up 68 cents. IBM up 171. Giddy up. HPQ up 53. Microsoft down 23 cents. Isn't that interesting? Wing Commander pulls off the rollover, and now Microsoft is backing off. What does he know? Who does he talk to get these ideas from? Where does he get this stuff from? I wonder about this guy. Yeah. Okay. Big E. So no more naming problems. Oh, Big E. Thank you so much. I love it, Big E. I love it. Thank you, Big E. You're helping me a lot because I'm on the fly here and it's just hairy. Crazy stuff. Thank you, everybody. Giddy up, everyone. Yes, sir. Amazon down 113. Some red showing up here and there. Meta down $2. So, we got a lot to follow here. Lots of interesting trading patterns and movements. And yeah, baby, it's a 3D world. What can I say? Way to go, you guys. Those of you out there who've been laid off, been furloughed, and you're now full-time option writers, welcome to the party, pal. Those of you who've managed to trade yourself out of a job, way to go. Way to trade yourself out of misery. Oh, congratulations to all of you. Fantastic. Welcome to the party, you guys. This is good stuff. Okay. Marcus, number 128. Microsoft ex-dividend is today down 75 cents. So there's a reason for the stock to drop too. Ex-dividend day. See? You see, it's working for option writers. It's all good, kids. Okay. Oh, good stuff. MSFT. All righty. Lots to watch. We're down 30 cents on Microsoft. 369.24 after hitting 373 today. All right. Amazon down $1.40. There you go. All kinds of fun. Nvidia down 571 to 490. Adobe down 738 to 596.96. SoFi 744, 745, down 2 pennies. The Dow up 133. Not really going very far. Not really. Could go higher. It could. S&P up 19. NASDAQ only up 64. Are we kind of running out of gas? on the upside. Is this happening here? It's not about an hour and 9 minutes into the day. Are we kind of running out of gas on this up move? Are we going to begin to give up some gains on the big board on those high flying stocks? Are they going to give up some ground? The Magnificent Seven. Are we seeing some profit taking possibly coming in? Is that a possibility? That'll take the Qs down. That'll take the SPYs down. That'll bring some high flyers down to earth a little bit. Those of you who pulled off rollovers the last couple of days, you're going to be possibly really smiling. Splair, even I can remember Big E. Lorraine, Uncle Bruce, there's nothing going on. Don't get all bent out of shape. We all tease each other and we all have fun. It's all good, Lorraine. It's all good. Cindy B, the SPY has got to take a dip. It's killing my condor. It's got to go down. Well, maybe the time is just about happening that's going to take place. 451.24 is the high of the session on spiders, but we're at 451 even right now, up 227. And look, a week ago, spiders were at 434. A month ago, they were at 409. So, there's some possible profit taking available here. Definitely. If this market is kind of getting a little tired, it might show today. It might show as the day wears on and we begin to just slump a little. The Qs are at 387. Today they did get to 387.65, right about here. We're 387.13. Okay. This might just be the top-ish kind of, maybe sort of little bit. Yeah, okay. My covered call, says Cindy. Spare, we're definitely up in total, but there are here and there already some limits reached. Some others are moving a little higher. Not a lurker. I'm the victim here, Okay, lurker. Lorraine, lurker, Alberto. I'm glad you're having fun. I'm the victim here. Oh, beautiful. Oh boy. Hold on, everything will be fine. Oh man, 748 on SoFi, 749. We're green on SoFi. We're green. I think we're green on SoFi. We're turning it around now. Yep, we're up a penny on SoFi right now. We just went green. We take out 750. We could pop 10, 15 cents right away. Watch out. 750 is the barrier. We'll see if SoFi starts touching 750 and beyond. We're at the mark. We're at the spot. Get ready, get set, go. Let's see what happens. SoFi volume now, 14.2 million just in the first hour and 13 minutes. So we got volume. Will it take 750 out and go to 765? Maybe. Maybe we go to 8 today. 1332 on GameStop, up 42 cents. 1.35 million volume on GameStop. I like the stock. Dow up 128 now, only up 128 on the Dow. Maybe we give it back a little now. I'm just wondering. Okay. We're down 590 on Adobe. We're down 450 on Nvidia. We got some red showing here and there. Down 113 on Amazon. Down 90 on Goldman. Down 169, 179 on Meta. That's Facebook. So Facebook is down. Amazon is down. That's 2 of the Magnificent 7. Nvidia is down. That's 3. We have 3 of the Magnificent 7 down and 4 up. Is this turnaround happening? Just a little here and a little there? Might be. Might be. Not a lurker. A laughing Bobby Spire having another nice day. 506 up 18 cents on Spire. There you go. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Okay. Haycroft Mining stock bounces off record low after reverse stock split takes effect. Haycroft Mining. Remember that name? Haycroft Mining. They're the guys that did a deal with AMC. They just did a 10-for-1 reverse stock split. Yikes. That puts them at 17 cents a share right now. Ooh, that was not such a good deal with AMC. That didn't work out for AMC too well, did it? Yeah, that was at a lot higher price than where it's at there. Interesting. Lorraine, Beach Boy, what cake are you talking about? Lorraine, there's all kinds of stuff going on here. I don't know. I'm just trying to help you make money. I have no idea about what's going to happen here. It's not my problem. I'm doing the best I can with what little I have. What can I say? JR, let's see. Yeah. Let's go. You bet. JR, you bet. Yeah. We can do that. We can do that get together if you like. You betcha. You bet. We'll set you up for sure. No problem, buddy. Right on, everyone. Thank you all for being here and joining in on the show. Congratulations, class participants. Those of you picking up these classes for the last couple of days now. The deal ends Friday. Get 5 for the price of 4. Fantastic. Thank you all. There's your deal right there. Buy 5 classes for the price of 4. $599.99 US. You have till Friday, and then that's it. The deal ends. We're back to regular price, $150 a class. Let me know if we can help you out. Absolutely. Not a lurker, laughing out loud. Lorraine, there is no cake. There's no cake. It wasn't me, says Lurker. I didn't do anything. Luca, see you later on the prime time tonight. You betcha, Luca. Thank you, buddy. Beach Boy, Lorraine, there's a pie. There's apple pie, but there's no cake. I have no what's going on. Too much fun being had here by participants. Nothing wrong with that. Giddy up, everybody. The Dow up 146, now 139. SoFi 747, 750, trying to get through 750. Are we going to do another wave of buying on SoFi? We bust through on the way to $8. Is that happening? Maybe. 1336 on GameStop, up 46 cents. High of 1350 here, only 14 cents away. 1.4 million volume on GameStop. It is climbing higher. The low was 1183. It's now 1336. $1.50 higher. About $1.50 higher. Not bad in a few days. Interesting. Okay. PW Tesla won't stop going up. That's right here. That's right there is a sign that this is a BS run up, and market gamblers are betting big after Burry was blown out of a short position. Markets told him to pound sand. Splair, well, I had a good fun. It looks like I'm about to get my calls on TWWO. I'm going to get them out in that 156.7 area. Well done, everybody. Not a lurker somewhere. Alberto is rolling on the ground laughing. Lorraine, Alberto should stick to pole dancing. Splair is laughing. Beach Boy, not a lurker. You mean Alberto's rolling in dough laughing. JR, rolling up my AI cover calls in prep for the 3rd Friday of the month, expiry day. Woot, woot. Not a lurker. That is true. You are encouraging him. Not a lurker, the victim. I tell you, I'm the victim. I still have no idea what's going on. It doesn't matter. We're just trying to get people to get richer here. That's all we're trying to do here. Just trying to help people get richer. Thank you all for being part of the show today. 131 thumbs ups and counting. Thank you for those. If you can hit that thumbs up button for me, please give it a go. Thank you all for your kind words. Thank you for those of you who are signing up for classes, one-on-ones, donators. All you guys are great. Jen, thanks you. The surgeons, thank you. We'll get her fixed up. I agree. Beach Boy, yes, I am. You got to encourage the kids. There you go. All right, guys. I will see you tonight, 7 o'clock Eastern time. If you're a Gold Bagel member, right up here, I will be on the air tonight at 7 o'clock Eastern time. If you're a Chillin' with Uncle Bruce member and you want to join us, or you're not a member and you want to join us tonight, hit the join button. Should be down here somewhere, and you can upgrade to gold level status, and you will join us tonight at 7 Eastern, you'll get an alert, a Gold Bagel member alert. And of course, every day you get an alert every morning, the trade tip of the day and the pre-market show before this show. Every day I'm on the air. So Gold Bagel members, thank you for your support. Thank you. I'll give back as much as I can to you. Try to make you all richer. In the meantime, have a great day, everybody. Just get rich. Asplair, my today's eToro alert, LAZR shares are skyrocketing. Not a lurker is laughing. JR, okay, I'm working with PayPal to donate. Doesn't want to send me a code for my two-factor security. Arg, Splair, and thanks for staying longer, Uncle B. Just in case, wishing you all a successful day. Take care of yourselves out there. Thank you all. We'll see you tonight at 7, and tomorrow morning we'll be here Thursday morning. Tip of the day, trade alert show for Gold Bagel members, and the big show right here for all of you. Join us going forward. Thank you all for being part of the family. I love you guys. Have a great one. We'll see you later. Auntie Jen says thank you, and we'll talk to you soon. Okay, guys. Bye for now.